guys, so here we are looking at number 10 when we're looking at graphing those parametric equations. So what we're going to do, I'll try to squeeze it in here. We're going to make our, oops, I did not mean to mark, I'll push my camera, sorry. So we want to make a table. So 0, 2, 4, 6. So we're going to plug 0 into the equation 2t. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 6 is 12. Okay. Please be careful. We're not plugging these values in for the y. We're going back here to the 0.5 t squared minus t. Okay, so 0, if I plug 0 in, it's all 0. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. 0.5 times 2 squared minus 2, and we get 0. Okay, now we're going to plug 4 in. 0.5 times 4 squared minus 4, we get 4. 6, oops, clear. 0.5 times 6 squared minus 6, and we get 12. So the ordered pairs I am going to graph are these guys. Okay, 0, 0, 4, 0, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, and 12. Okay, and that's all you're doing for that one. Okay, let me change my, turn my page. So before we get started here, I want to make sure all of my graphs or angles are touching my x-axis. Notice this one's not. So we're going to do 90 minus 40. And that gives us 50. Determine the direction of each. I'm not quite sure what he is looking for here. The 20, again, not grabbing there, so 90 minus 20 equals 70 degrees. Not 100% sure what he's looking for on this question here. Just be aware when you do things that we do catch those negatives, okay? Let's go to 12. Okay, so just like what we did before, I need my angles touching my x-axis. So 90 minus 50, here goes 40. Okay, so here we go. Let's start off with this one. So number 12. Okay, so x equals 20 cosine 40 and y equals 20 sine 40. I love this one because we're in quadrant 1 and everybody is positive and happy. 15.3 and 12.9. Now we're going to go here to this one. We're touching the x-axis. Okay, so x equals 30 cosine 40 and y equals 30 sine 40. Now what we do have to be careful here is that we are in quadrant 3, so everybody needs to be negative. Okay. We're going to call that 23. And negative 19.3. Okay, this one is all good to go. But remember, we're in quadrant 4 there. 40 cosine 60 and y equals 40 sine 60. Because we're in quadrant 4, remember my y value is negative. Okay, so 20 and 34.6, but negative. Okay, so let's get our component form. This is where we add our x's together. So 15.3. I got 12.3. And we're going to do the same thing with our y values. $19.3 minus 34.6. And I get negative 41. So my component form is 12.3 and negative 41. Okay. Magnitude, 12.3 squared plus negative 41 squared. We got to make sure we put those in parentheses, especially when it's a negative, guys. I get 42.8, and then direction, inverse tangent, y over x. Okay, and if we graph right here, positive, negative, we're in quadrant 4, so we're going to have to add 360. Okay. And my final answer here is 286.7 degrees. Okay. This one I need the graph paper. Okay, so here we go. Negative 2a. So we got to change the sign here. So it's going to be positive 2, negative 3. So positive 2, 1, 2, 3. Here we go, my straight edge. I'm at home, so I don't have a ruler. You got to do that 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, negative 3D. So we're going to go 4 to the right, and we are going to run out of space. Let's do this. Let's make it a positive. So now we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4C, we're going to make that positive. Up to, right 2. Up to, right 2. Plus V. 1, 2, whoops, plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we kind of really head back to ourselves there. Okay. Cool. Okay. And then last but not least, here we go. We want to get our equations in for y. So what I'm going to do here is subtract 3. Leave your y equation alone. Attack the x one. So x minus 3 equals 5t. Divide by 5. Okay. So we have x minus 3 over 5 equals t. So what we're going to do now, substitute this here. So y equals 3 times x minus 3 over 5. Okay, our whole goal is to get rid of the t at the end. So y equals 3x minus 9 all over 5. Okay. Last but not least here, divide by 7. So x over 7 equals t. Now we're going to substitute that. X, oops, I forgot my 2 over 7 plus 9. So y equals 2x over 7 plus 9. And then you are done. Okay, I wish you luck on the test. Bye, guys.